Welcome to my channel, Vinculum Academy. Here we are going to learn trending 3D tissue art. Take a bowl, fill it with some water. Next, take some tissues, tear them up into small pieces and add it into the water.
Keep the tissue aside. Let it rest for 24 hours. It's really tired, na?
Take a plain white sheet and draw a square of 4 inches on each side.
Draw anything you like. उसमें टैक्स थोड़ी ना लगता है.
I am drawing a flamingo. Source is Google.
लो, मेरा लेंस फोकस ही नहीं कर पा रहा. शायद उसके लेंस में कचरा घुस गया. टिश्यू भी लग. मैं तो पानी पानी हो गया. Grind it.
Now you can take small amounts of this tissue and add colors of your choice. I am adding hot pink here to make the body of the flamingo. Add some glue as required. Since the tissue has glue, it will automatically stick on the paper, so you have to just dab it onto the paper. You can use your fingers, paint brushes, tip of the pencil, etc.
लगाते जाओ, लगाते जाओ. पेपर भी लाइक. कैमरा को मेरे अंदर ही घुसा दो.
While covering the smaller areas, you can take a smaller amount and roll it between your fingers.
Wow!
I wanted baby pink color, so I added cream color into the hot pink color.
धोते जाओ, धोते जाओ. सॉरी, सोप थोड़ी ना है. टिश्यू है, तो लगाते जाओ, लगाते जाओ. भाग गए.
Smaller details are covered using color pencils.
Wow!
लो बन गया. अति सुंदर है ना?
Let's make another one. Draw same 4 inches square near it. I am drawing a panda here. Drawing reference is from Google. I took some more tissue and added black color to it. I dropped the black tissue and stained the sheet, but anyway we will cover it later. I took another batch of tissue paper and added white color because my tissue had red color print on it. You can cut them and use these patches to make greeting cards, bookmarks, back of your phone case, etc. For the background, I decided lavender color. I made lavender color by adding pink, blue and white to the tissue paper.
छुपा दिया ना फाइनली दाग को।
I added eyes by rolling black tissue and mouth by rolling the hot pink color tissue left from flamingo. Please like and share the video, subscribe to our channel and let us know if you like this video in our comment section below.